I'm at All American Classics in Vancouver, Washington, and I'll start out with the least cool motor, in my opinion. And there's two, because it's only $2,000. It's a 5.3 out of a front-wheel drive Impala. They got it with the cross member and transmission and everything. And then we go over here to an SSR motor with a Magnuson supercharger, and it's got the 5 or 6 speed trans. And it says it's making like 600 horsepower and runs like a top, real low mileage, and it's basically 15 thou. And then we go here to a 2013 ZL1 engine and trans, and it's 580 horsepower, and that's a pretty cool motor. And we got here an SRT8 2018 Charger motor and trans. It's a 6.4, pretty cool, and it's got the 8-speed automatic, comes complete. And we have a like a 85 or 6, 7, 8, 9 Camaro motor, I'd say. Tune port injected. And we come over here to a 2015 LT1 Corvette motor, and it's $79.50. And we come over here to a 2005 6-liter motor. It's 400 horsepower job. This here 2015 is 460 horsepower. Go back to it. And here we got a 2000 LS1, and it's just the motor complete, and it's $3,700. And we got another one just like it, and it's another $500, probably lower mileage. It's a 2004. And then we got another one out of a 2000. And here's a complete suspension package for $1,200. I'm guessing it's out of a C4. And then we got a Vortec 2000 Avalanche 5.3 for $11.95. And a little small block 4-barrel motor. And whoever buys it doesn't get the carburetor. Don't know why. And we got a 95 LT1 motor out of an Impala. And another Corvette motor, like a late model C4 LT1 that's sold. And that's their motor collection inside the showroom. And a quick little zoom around the showroom. This is All American Classics in Vancouver. And they got wheels.
3654.
And tires. And wheels. Those set of Corvette chrome wheels. And some Flow ones. I'm not familiar with them. They're $650 though for the set with tires. And here we got a GT350R super duper wheels, carbon fiber. And that's my show.